And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, the mean temperature so far for January 2020 is 37.8 degrees. This is actually a degree and a half warmer than it was for the month of November. Shows you how mild January has been. We had some record cold in November, but also, as late as December the 18th, we had single digits and some snow. We had a nice, robust start to the snow season, but since Christmas, it feels like winter has really abated and it's felt like March around here. That is going to change. We've got some real winter weather ahead. Low clouds are pushing out now. We'll clear up for a while this evening, and then we'll cloud up later on tonight as this little weak system comes in. Could see a few little scattered freezing rain and rain showers early tomorrow morning, but also watch for some patchy to areas of dense fog around. Some of that's going to be freezing fog, and that moisture in the freezing fog can condense on pavement and produce a couple of slick spots. So keep that in mind overnight into early tomorrow morning. This bigger storm will move southeastward, pull this deep tropical moisture, kind of reform in the plains, and that's what will bring some snow, some ice, and a good soaking rain Friday and into Saturday. So more active weather is about to return. The clearing, patchy fog develops, 33 by 11 o'clock. We drop down to right around 31, areas of freezing fog around, some of that dense. Then we cloud over and at least some spotty to scattered freezing rain and rain early tomorrow morning. Then it becomes very isolated before it picks up a little bit more as the cold front comes through late in the day. Temperatures will fall after a high of 50. We'll drop to 40 by 5 o'clock in the evening with the winds really picking up from the west, gusts more than 30 miles an hour. Wind chills single digits on Thursday morning, then teens in the afternoon. A lot of sun, but a cold day. A high of 28 with a gusty northwest wind. So there's your spotty precip early tomorrow morning, and then it breaks up a little bit, and then a little bit more as the front comes through later tomorrow. We clear it out, get much colder tomorrow night, and then we cloud over on Friday. By 1:30, the edge of the snow in central Illinois overspreads the area late afternoon and evening, and then begins to change to freezing rain and sleet. This is 1:30 in the morning, and already notice in our southwest counties it's rain at that point. So this is going to be a transition to all rain with time. Then it may end as just a little bit of snow by midday Saturday. So tomorrow we're in the 40s to around 50, then falling. We tank tomorrow night. We're talking upper teens to low 20s. We're in the 20s all of Thursday, but around 30 at early Friday afternoon. We're still there at 10:30 Friday night. So it's still snow and ice around before by 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, we're all above freezing and we change to rain. But between the snow and ice and the rain, good solid 3/4 to 1.25 inches of liquid. So what this may do is cause rivers to go back a little above a flood stage again next week after falling below flood stage. Normal highs 34, 38 by late Friday night, and then falling Saturday after a high of 44. Then it gets cold Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Could see some scattered snow showers Tuesday. That is the beginning of a long stretch of winter getting into February.
Yeah, not unexpected.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Chad, thanks.
Okay.
Well, what a year for LSU, right?
What a year for LSU. Joe Burrow is not